The most expensive sneakers in the world. Many of the sneakers on this list have seen their value skyrocket after their initial release, making them an excellent investment. Whether they are in immaculate condition or not, it is frequently the tale behind the sneaker that lends it its cachet, imparting a sense of rarity and nostalgia to the shoe and driving prices sky high. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon. 15. Air Jordan 11 Jeter, $40,000. These velvety, midnight blue high tops may be just the trainer for you if you're looking to invest in an elegant, sophisticated pair of sneakers that will withstand the whims of fashion. Only 5 of these pairs were made to commemorate Derek Jeter's retirement as one of the greatest New York Yankees of all time. With Jeter's memorable number 2 emblazoned on the heel, they're considered among the best Jordans of all time, with collectors from all over the world clamoring for a piece of the action. 14. Nike Dunk SB Low Yellow Lobster, $42,634. Several teaser images of the Nike Low Yellow Lobster sparked interest in the release of this new shoe, which is very similar in design to its red and blue predecessors, though the Yellow Lobster was only available in an extremely limited edition and never made it to retail. The upper is mustard yellow, with the signature lobster inner plaid. 13. Diamond-encrusted Air Force 1, $50,000. These are the most expensive pair of Nike Air Force 1 sneakers in the world, with 11-carat champagne diamonds and gold accents, and they are among the best sneakers for women. They were given to Big Boy, an Atlanta rapper and half of the American hip-hop duo Outkast, and were auctioned off to benefit his Big Kids Foundation. 12. Nike Dunk SB Low Paris, $62,000. The Nike Dunk SB Low Paris is a creative, cool, and colorful sneaker that is extremely limited, with only 150 to 200 pairs rumored to exist. Each pair is adorned with artwork by the late French expressionist artist Bernard Buffet, ensuring that no 2 pairs are identical, making them one of the most valuable and desirable shoes in the world. 11. Nike Dunk High Pro SB Flom, $63,000. The Flom, for love or money, was one of the most difficult to find Nike SBS in the world when it was released in 2004, but only 3 of the 24 pairs made were released to the public, making finding a pair the holy grail of sneaker hunting. The Dunk silhouette is one of the most well-known in sneaker history, and this Flom pattern features various denominations of printed money. 10. Nike MAG Back to the Future, 2016, $63,973. The Nike Air Mag, perhaps the most sought-after sneaker of all time, first appeared on our screens in Back to the Future 2, though the light-up detailing and auto-lacing technology were achieved at the time through special cinematic effects. These futuristic sneakers are gaining popularity among sneakerheads, cinephiles, and pop culture aficionados alike now that technology has brought imagination to life. 9. Air Jordan 12 OVO, Drake Edition, $100,000. Wear the Air Jordan 12 OVO if you want to turn heads in your white sneakers. These shoes are the result of a successful collaboration between the Jordan brand and rapper, designer, and basketball fan Drake. These incredibly comfortable shoes were designed to make you stand out from the crowd. They are highly elegant with an understated design and are made of premium white leather. 8. Air Jordan 12 Flu Game, $104,765. One of the most expensive pieces of Michael Jordan memorabilia available, this signed pair was worn by Jordan during the 1997 NBA Finals, while apparently suffering from a stomach virus, hence the nickname Flu Game, an appendage that has undoubtedly increased their value significantly. 7. Buscemi 100mm Diamond, $132,000. Is it the priciest tennis shoe ever made? Shoes or jewelry? You could be forgiven for wondering when a shoe is loaded with 11.5 carats of diamonds set in 18-karat gold. There are no doubts about the price. At a cool $132,000, this bright white sneaker is not made for the tennis court, but if you're likely to be hanging out with the fashionistas on the front row, this is the one for you. 6. Michael Jordan Game-Worn Converse Fast Break, $190,373. Michael Jordan and Team USA won gold at the Los Angeles Olympics in 1984. 30 years later, a pair of Jordan-signed Converse Fast Breaks, said to have been worn on the court at the Olympics, went up for auction and sold for more than $190,000, far exceeding the expected price of around $100,000 and placing them among the most valuable sneakers in the world. In case you're wondering, these are the last pair of shoes Michael Jordan wore as an amateur. 5. Jordan 1 Retro High Charlotte Hornets Foundation Black or White, $250,000. Michael Jordan was spotted wearing a pair of never-before-seen Air Jordan 1s during the NBA All-Star Weekend in Charlotte in February 2019. Only 300 pairs were ever made, designed by the man himself and released on his 56th birthday. Each pair features a quilted leather upper in clean black or white colorways, as well as a star-shaped silver hang tag with a honeycomb motif. 4. Air Jordan Retro Kobe Pack, $800,000. In 2016, the Air Jordan 3/8 Retro Kobe Pack was distributed only to friends and family as a tribute to Kobe Bryant, one of the most beloved basketball figures in history. These shoes are replicas of the classic Air Jordan 3 and Air Jordan 8, and they were created to commemorate Bryant's 20 years in the NBA. They're dressed in LA Lakers colors, with a white leather upper and purple and gold accents. 3. Michael Jordan Game-Worn Nike Air Ship, $1.47 million. The most expensive pair of worn shoes ever sold at auction. On October 24, 2021, collector Nick Fiorella paid $1,472,000 for these airships at Sotheby's Las Vegas. Sotheby's streetwear and modern collectibles head Bram Wachter stated that this record-breaking result solidifies the strength and broad reach of the sneaker collecting community. 2. Kanye West Nike Air Yeezy 1 Prototype, $1.8 million. The Nike Air Yeezy 1 Prototype, one of the most lucrative results of the collaboration between rapper and designer Kanye West and the Nike brand, was worn by West while performing his hit single, Stronger, on the Grammy stage in 2008, and announced the Yeezy project to the entire sneaker world. In fact, the Yeezy brand has produced many sought-after designs. 1. Solid Gold OVO X Air Jordans, $2 million. Drake decided to make Kanye West sneakers solid gold in order to collaborate with the famed Jordan brand. 24K. They are the most expensive Nike shoes in the world, weighing more than 50 pounds each, so you won't be doing much jumping, but with these on your feet, you'll have all the attention you need. This is all about the most expensive sneakers in the world. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like and share the video, subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.